Glam fam, so today we are going into the Berries by Juvias. This is a new palette by Juvias Place, and oh my god, it is so pretty, so pretty. Again, this is the Berries, and I am so excited to do this because there's so many cute colors. Okay, I have already done my foundation and set my face, and I've also done some bronzing, and we're gonna jump right into this. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer. I will link this in the description below if you'd like to try it. It is currently my favorite primer for eyeshadows. Just going to pop that on, but it's really creamy and super easy to work with, so all I'm really doing now is just blending it out with my finger. And then I'm just going to set that with whatever translucent powder I have left on my beauty blender. So I'm going in with this lighter pink right here as our transition shade. We're just gonna pop that into our crease. At first, I'm going to use a stamping motion just to get the pigment on there, and then I'm gonna go in to a swiping and swirling motion to blend it out. Then I'm actually going to put that same color underneath the eye as well. And now we are going to go in with this darker shade right here, and we're going to pop that into our crease as well. But we're gonna focus this in a smaller area of our crease. Then we're going to cut our crease with some concealer. And then we are going to blend in the dark purple color right here and the bright pink, and also the first color that we used, and we're gonna go from lightest to darkest in the cut crease portion. I am gonna go in with some glitter on the cut crease line. Then I'm gonna do my liner. I'm gonna be using NYX's Epic Ink Liner as usual. All right, and then I'm just going to tight line. And then pop on some falsies. Then I'm just gonna highlight, and I'm gonna be going in with Kat Von D's Metal Crush highlighting palette. I'm going to highlight this face with the pink one. All right, I'm gonna run a little bit of the orange on top of it to try and get a little bit of that purpleness away. Yeah, that worked a little bit. Yeah. All right, and then what I'm gonna do for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with NYX's lip liner in Nude Beige. This is legit my favorite nude lip liner. One of them at least. And then I'm gonna be going over that with Stripped Liquid Lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. All right. There we go. Nude lips on. I really like it. What do you guys think? Alright y'all, that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam fam. And I hope you guys are having a great new year. I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah!